Dear students, today I am before you with English first paper for the students of class 9 and 10. My today's class will be on Unit 3, Lesson 5, which is Independence Day. So, you are welcome to my class. So, let's start the class. Independence Day. Here, I read out a passage for the first time, then I will elaborate the passage. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All the offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with 31 gun salute. Very early in the morning, please come to the class and sit. Very early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, on behalf of the nation, play hits at the National Memorial at Shabad in Dhaka. Then the other leaders, political parties, freedom fighters, diplomats and cultural organizations do their what do the President and Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Actually, they pay homage to the martyrs who laid down their valuable lives for the sake of our great independence of 1971. People from all walks of life come to the museum with rallies and procession. There are many cultural programs throughout the country highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice of 1971. The country also witnessed a spectacular parade defense forces, border guards, police, village defense party at the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament of Bangladesh. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, the children took part in various occasions to give pleasure to the present spectators. Educational institutions also organize several cultural functions to highlight the day, to show the significance of 1971 of our liberation war. Sports and tournaments are also organized on this day, including exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. In the evening, all the public buildings of our country are illuminated with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. We also see the similar functions arranged in other places of the country. Dear students, I already have read out the passage so that you can guess what I am going to teach you today. My today's topic is to inform you of independence of Bangladesh, Unit 3, Lesson 5. Here I want to sketch a picture, a figure. This is the picture of National Memorial, which has been designed by Mainur Hussain. I want to inform you another news that Mainur Hussain, the designer of our National Memorial, died on 10th November 2014. Here, this is a picture of our National Memorial. It is the symbol of our independence. Here, there are 7 stages: 1950, 1971, 1969, 1966, 1962, 1956, and 1952. 1952, 56, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1954 and 1952. 52, 4, 6, 62, 66, 69, 71. Okay. These are the stages of our National Memorial. Here we see 7 stages. First one, 1952, then 1954, 1956, 1962, 66, 1969, and 1971. Here, 1952 indicates the language movement, which is very much historical movement in the history of our country. 1954, United Front movement of 1952. 1956, ruling movement, and 1962, education movement. 1966, 6 points. 1966 is remarkable and famous for 6 points. 6 points given by the great leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman in 1996. 1969 is famous for mass movement. Mass movement. 1971 is remarkable for the War of Liberation. War of Liberation. Here, the memorial has 7 stages and it is of 150 feet. The height of the memorial is 150 feet and the basement, total basement 130 feet. And in front of this monument there is a pole, and beside the pole there are graves, mass graves. Here 5 and here 5 mass graves, M-A, mass graves, graveyards, mass graveyards. Graveyards means after the death, the dead body, where the dead body is, graveyard is called graveyards. 5 mass graveyards and there are 5 mass graveyards. Totally 10 graveyards are in front of the monument, in front of the memorial. And we also see the pool in front of the memorial. This memorial is visited by the diplomatics, high commissioners, and the foreign leaders of another country when they come to visit Bangladesh, come to officially visit Bangladesh. This memorial is visited by those persons. These are the history of the National Memorial. The National Memorial, there is a plan of making a complex by the government. This complex will cover 126 acres of land. Here includes a library, a mosque, and a museum. A museum will be made for the keeping of the wrecks of our liberation war. There will be a signal, a red signal for all officers of the world that the weapons of freedom need not be very big. Just courage is very much necessary to gain independence from any foreign domination like that of Bangladesh. Dear students, I want to give you another information about the National Memorial of Bangladesh. This memorial 1972, 1978 and 1982. Year 1972, the founder of Bangladesh, the father of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, took initiatives to make a national memorial at Sabar in Dhaka. But it was great lucky for him and all the members of his family that they had to be assassinated by some 12 army officers of Bangladesh in 1975. After that, 1978, the construction of making national memorial was started, and then in 1982 it was inaugurated for the first time. And then every year we go to the national memorial on behalf of the nation. The President and Prime Minister of Bangladesh go to the national memorial for the first time to play reeds who sacrifice their lives for the cause of independence of Bangladesh. Here, Independence Day. Today's topic is Independence Day. 26 March is our Independence Day. 26 March is our national day. 26 March is our Independence Day as well as National Day. You know that in 1971, 25 March of 1971, the great leader, founder of Bangladesh, father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, declared the independence of Bangladesh. He declared that today, he declared this way, this may be my last message from today Bangladesh is independent. I call upon the people of Bangladesh, wherever you might be and whatever you have, to resist the occupation of army officer of Pakistan. Your fight must go on until the last soldier of Pakistan army is expelled from the soil of Bangladesh and final victory is received. By listening that declaration, the people of Bangladesh took an active part in the war of liberation. By taking part in the war of liberation, at least 9 months, we got our desired freedom from the Pakistan rulers. And 6 March is very much remarkable. It is our Independence Day and National Day. In this day, this is a public holiday. In this day, the President and Prime Minister of Bangladesh go to the National Memorial every year and play reeds. And then the other leaders, political parties, freedom fighters, other cultural organizations are available in our country, play reeds, pay homage to the martyrs who laid down their lives in 1971 for the sake of our independence. This day is celebrated across the country with enthusiasm and fervor. We also witness a parade in parade ground arranged by the police, BDR, BDB and other defense parties. Children took part in various places at the Bangabandhu National Stadium to give pleasure to the present spectators. Educational institutions also arrange various cultural functions on this day. We also see the boat race in the river Buriganga on the occasion of our independence. Actually, and it is very much focused and focusable for that all the public buildings of our country are illuminated in the evening with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy, and other cultural organizations hold similar type of functions. Similar type of functions are also arranged by the other organizations and people of our country. And already I have taught you and I have informed various history behind the liberation of Bangladesh, behind the making of the National Memorial at Shabar to you. Mainul Hussain is the designer of the National Memorial, and there is a history behind this. We find 7 stages. One is 1952, remarkable for language movement of Bangladesh. Next one, 1954, remarkable for United Force, United Front. And next one is 1956. You know that Bangla had been made the state language of Bangladesh or East Pakistan by the sacrifice of lives in 1952 caused language movement, but Bangla was institutionally for the first time in the Pakistani constitution in 1956. Then 1962 is remarkable for education movement. 1966 is remarkable for 6 points movement, and on the basis of 6 points, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh in 25 March and 26 March 1971, and he also delivered his remarkable and historical speech at Raspur's Maidan on 7 March of 1971. Then 1969 is remarkable for mass movement. You know that in 1968 is remarkable for Agartala conspiracy case, and to get free all the arrestees of Agartala conspiracy case, the people of Bangladesh took an active part in 1969, which is called mass movement. And then 1971 is remarkable for the war of our liberation. In this day, Bangabandhu declared the independence of our country, and by fighting 9 months, we got our desirable achievement, which is the independence of our country. Thank you very much, yes, students who enjoyed the class. Thank you. Talk to you in the another class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye.